Hey guys, this is Greg coming to you with another episode of Greg's Bonsai. Today we'll be going over my sycamore that I ended up cutting out of a window box. If you guys will recall, it was pretty much just this twig right here with nothing else coming out of it. I planted it in here and just wanted to see what could possibly grow out of this, and if I could save it and see how it grows. Now, obviously, here we are, we're in October, and it's still alive, still thriving, and I kind of wanted to showcase this plant tree to you guys, mainly because look how beautiful this thing is. The leaves are changing. We're starting to get in the fall here. I mean, we are in fall. We're in October. And the leaves on this guy are just phenomenal. We still have a little bit of green up here, okay, at the top. But as we go down, it just gets yellow and orange. And these are like the fall colors. This is just primo fall colors. And I think as this guy matures, gets older, we're gonna see wonderful things come out of this. We got a couple green leaves down here at the bottom, but and a couple weeds. Let me see if I can get those weeds out of here while we're recording. And I just thought, you know, let's document this before the leaves drop. I've already had a few come off of here, and again, for scale, this is my hand, and this is how big the leaves are on this guy. It's just amazing, and I'm really documenting that because I want to see if I can get these leaves to get smaller as this gets older and as I start making this into a bonsai. Again, these are like new trees, so you're trying to make them healthy. You're trying to thicken up this trunk and get some kind of taper going up. Once, let me grab my chopstick here. Once the winter comes in here and everything on this guy drops down, I will be looking to get rid of this center part that was cut off. You know, like I said before, let's see if this leaf comes off. No, not yet. We're not gonna force it off. We did a bunch of cuts here. When I say we, I mean I, as I was lazy before and doing this. And then all of a sudden I started doing bonsai trees, and I said, I'm gonna try and save this guy. So those are just the lops from the different parts of different years. So I think this is like maybe 2 or 3 years old down here on this trunk. This is 1 season's worth of growth on this branch. And it is also a season worth on this branch. So I'm really excited to see what this looks like next year, and deciding where I'm gonna go with this plant as it matures. But I do wanna get rid of this center piece, and maybe I'll do it little by little and just keep going down as the seasons go. But I do wanna clean this up so I don't get too much going on here and it's too late and I can't get in here and cut this off. Even this guy, I really like this little guy here, and I love these colors. Oh my goodness. This is like the best. And the 4K, which I'm glad I'm recording in, really showcases those colors. I just wish I had a better background for you guys. It's a little dark outside, and I'm just trying to get this recorded and documented. But I really love the colors that are on here, and you know, they're not even crinkly. They still feel really nice. They're getting to that point where they're gonna fall off eventually, but leaving them on as long as I can. And we do have, I'm not sure if I can get in on this. Let's see if I can zoom in. We do have a little bit of budding already starting and getting ready for the next season. And I think you can even see that in, let me see if I can get this in on a current leaf. If you look right here, I do have a little bit of budding for next season already starting up, so that's great to see. But this guy leaps and bounds it's gone above and beyond what I was expecting for this year, and I'm really happy with how it has built out and thrived, even after all these cuts and then me cutting down above its main taproot line. That's where I'm really happy. So it's doing really well in here. I'm interested to see how the roots are doing with this and how fast the roots are developing. I may end up potting this into, let me see if I can get one out really quick, into a pot that is just a little deeper than this, maybe an inch and a half deeper than this pot. It's a #1 pot, just to give it a little bit more weight because of the size of these leaves and just how big of a fan they are. When the wind blows, this guy does tend to get knocked over a little bit more. So I do want to give it a little bit more weight down here. I could put a rock or something down here, and generally if I water this, it does tend to keep it down a little more. It's just more of a problem when the soil gets dry. So, you know, once a week we have that problem. But I do want to kind of give it a little bit more of an insurance policy, just so that as this guy does grow, and this guy will grow next season, maybe I'll even have to put it up into a #2 pot eventually. I want to make sure that this guy is safe and not having any issues. But for now, like I said, it looks phenomenal. Love seeing this color. Let me know what you guys think of this down below in the comments. I would love to hear from you guys. I know you've been following around with this. This isn't necessarily a popular video series, my Sycamore, but to me, this is kind of really near and dear to my heart because, like I said, I saved this guy from total annihilation for myself. So, and just going from this green to this yellow to the orange, I mean, this is just, I love it. Oh, I love it. And then down to this crinkly dead guy down here. But yeah, let me know what you think of this guy. If you're looking forward to seeing this guy in the spring and how it looks as it grows. I might even end up cutting here and here just to help bring it down a little bit more. But I'm not sure if I want to do that right away or not. But yeah. So this is my Sycamore. I like to call it my sickly Sycamore because of how it kind of started out. But it's definitely not sick anymore. That is for sure. So yeah, this is Sycamore A, I believe. And if you like what you see, make sure to hit that like button. Again, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, anything you want to see on my channel, put that down in the comments down below. And if you're really raring to see what this looks like in the spring, let me know. Because I want to know if you guys are excited as I am about this guy. And like I said, if you do like what you see, make sure to hit the subscribe button and that little bell next to it. It goes a long way. And when you hit that bell, you'll get a notification that I uploaded a video on my channel. Give you a little last look here as we go through. And this is my Sycamore, guys. Another episode of Greg's Bonsai. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Take care.